Before you throw out all of the dried items from your garden, just take a beat, take a pause, wait! You can create a beautiful fall tablescape with foraged florals from your own harvest. For the front door or the holiday food table, Shannon DeHart from Château Monette Flower Farm is here to show us how to make our own dried flower decor. Thank you for being here.
Thanks for having me.
We are surrounded by your beautiful creations, and it's so fun to see dried florals.
Yeah, they're coming back.
Have this resurgence. Yeah. Absolutely. For the non-green thumb out there, what might be some items we save, clip and save to pull off a project like this?
So I think a lot of people have perennial flowers, which are like the grasses, yarrow, lavender. So those are really great ones to use for wreaths like this. So
wreaths and centerpieces too.
Yeah.
Is there any preservation like technique or strategy we should be aware of?
So we grow a whole bunch of flowers throughout the season, and then we just like gather them all up during the fall, and then we hang them in our floral shop. So we just kind of rubber band them, hang them in a dark area, and it works really great.
How long do they need to hang?
So probably a week or two.
Okay.
I usually dry them.
So finding a corner of your house, if we don't have the beautiful setup that you do at your gorgeous flower farm, finding a little corner, leaving them alone for a week, will allow you to then manipulate them into these gorgeous arrangements and swags. And you said wreaths and centerpieces. We're just surrounded by the beauty. Can you show us how to create this?
Yeah, so this is the wreath we're gonna work on, and all you need is a wire wreath and then some of this floral wire.
Okay.
And I've already pre-cut and organized these for us, so it's easier.
And is that what you recommend doing, is arranging ahead of time?
Just a little bouquet.
Small little groups, okay.
Yeah, and I like to put the grasses out the farthest and then put a tight floral bunch, and then you just kind of like lay it at the angle that it's already kind of going.
And I get nervous because they're so brittle. Is there anything we need to know?
So if you want them not as brittle, you can put them in your fridge for like an hour, and then they'll soften.
Oh, that's
but these ones are great. So you just wrap it 3 times, pull it tight, and then you do the next one. So you can try that.
Continuous piece of wire.
Yes, yep. So kind of angle it, like all of this. Yep,
right.
Perfect.
And is it wire that's holding that individual bunch through too? Okay, hold on, let me get me some slack here.
You're good.
No pressure, no pressure. Just a few thousand friends looking over my shoulder. It's fine. Don't worry, Shannon. We're good. We're good. I got you.
Yeah.
Okay,
so you just do it 2 or 3 times, and then you add the 3rd bunch, and that's kind of just how it makes it really lush in the middle, and then you've got like it feathered out on the outside.
Well, I can now see the wisdom in how you grouped these with the density kind of at the bottom, and then the top becomes kind of your curve.
It's really pretty.
Okay. And what flowers are at work here?
So we've got statice, we've got some grasses, black-tipped wheat, yarrow. Yeah. Just a mix of things.
Would the technique be the same for other arrangements or other wreaths?
Yes, it is. Like you can do like I have the wheat and the lavender, which is like every other one, but this one's more detailed. Or like the grass over here, you just have grass halfway down the grapevine. So yeah, there's different ways you can do it.
And anything we can do, obviously the colors are more muted as the bloom itself dries. Anything we can do to preserve the color?
So it just depends on like what flower it is. So this is kind of muted, but then if you look at this one over here, that one will stay kind of that same exact color. So it depends on the flower.
Wow, so pretty. And I love how you've taken the wreath and laid it backside, belly side down, and it becomes this gorgeous focal point for, yes, the Thanksgiving table, but any party centerpiece, right? Or just specialty dinner.
Yeah, and I love that one because it has like those muted Thanksgiving colors. So it looks cute if you put like your turkey in there, or even like on a tall platter. You could put some food in there. So,
and it doesn't take much. I mean, I see some simple wraps and draping of ribbon, but it's really a beautiful display. And you realize that even in dried form, those flowers just tell a lovely story.
Yes, it's beautiful. They're fun.
Well, thank you so much. Some wire, a wire form, and some dried flowers. All you need to create gorgeous arrangements like this. Where can we get more inspiration and ideas from you?
So just my Instagram, Château Monette.
And tell us a bit about what you do.
So we own a flower farm for 12 years now.
Wow.
And so this is kind of what we do during the fall. And then we also do workshops. So I have a Christmas wreath workshop in December I'm now signing people up for.
Oh, fantastic. So details on your Instagram then. Which we'll link you to from our website. And thank you for just the jolt, the newspaper tucked in, the clippings. It all adds this very texture-rich project and experience. So thanks for sharing.
Thank you.
And look for her class schedule online. Again, we'll link you from our website.